Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Rotator Club. In this video, I want to show you how to load the shared campaign that we're using for the team. Okay, so what you want to do is log into All-in-One Profits, right? Go to Toolbox and go to Autoresponder. Now, if you just joined, you're going to see a campaign here already that's like empty. There's no messages in it or anything. You're not going to do anything with that. What you have to do is scroll down and you see a button that says Ready-Made Campaigns. You're going to click that. Okay, you're going to see a bunch of campaigns here already on the page, but you have to scroll down below that. And then you see this little form here. Okay, you got to fill this out. Over here, the first thing is campaign ID. You could put whatever you want to call it. You know, you could call it Rotator Club. Okay, that's what I called mine. It doesn't really matter. It's personal choice. Campaign name, that's your name. Okay, you want to put your name there, that they're going to see that it came from you when you put your name here. So put, like, you know, if you like to abbreviate your name or, you know, whatever, that's what you want here. Whatever you want people to see your name as. Campaign email address. This is important, guys. Put a good email address here, because if anybody has any questions about anything they read in the, you know, in the email or in the campaign, you want them to get, you know, to be able to get a hold of you and ask you a question. Your username or ID is equally as important. This is your username for All-in-One Profits you want to put here, okay? And the campaign number. Okay, this is the most important thing because this is how you get the right campaign. The campaign number is 72771. 72771. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that. If you guys want, you know, you can just look at this video, maybe put it on YouTube and blow it up, and then, you know, go back and forth. You can pause the video. Once you do that, right, you press submit, and that's going to load your campaign, and then you're going to see it generate here in your campaigns. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to edit the messages now. You should have 8 messages in there. The way you're going to do that is you go to that campaign, right? You press go. Then you go to autoresponders, press edit messages. Now you'll see the messages right here on top. Start with the first one. What you want to do, I almost forgot to tell you, is you got to copy your Rotator link from All-in-One Profits. So you want to go back to All-in-One Profits, to the Rotator, and copy this link on top of the page. Okay, copy that whole link. Then you want to do is, you know, if the first one is selected, you press select message. Okay, your message will be here. Then you want to look for where the links are. See where it says click here? What you want to do is highlight that. All right? Go right here. This will turn blue. This is the link box. You click that and it brings you to this page. Then you want to paste your link in here. Okay, for the Rotator. And then you press update. You put open in new window and title it whatever you want. You know, I just put RC for Rotator Club, doesn't really matter. And then press update. And then press here, update message. Okay, so what you've done now, you just put your Rotator link into that message. There's one message here that has 2 links in it. You got to do it twice. Okay, so just check, just go down the list. Now do the next one. Select message. It takes 5 minutes, you know. Do the same thing and just go through those steps, you know. Highlight it, you know, click the link button, change the link. It takes 5 minutes. Okay, then after you're done with that, right, what you want to do is go back to the campaign page. Let me just go back. You want to go back to your autoresponder, and when you activate the campaign, you're going to see 2 pages here that we're using, you know, for team capture pages. These are all optional, guys. Feel free to, you know, change the messages. I mean, it's your campaign, you know. These is just to help people out. You know, get in there and build your own capture pages. You know, you're not stuck. You know, you don't have to use this. This is just to help people out that don't know what to do when they're starting out. And I wrote the messages. I think they're pretty good, man. They should convert. But you could change them. You could tweak them. You know, you have to put your link in though. Don't forget that. Now you want to do is copy this, you know, the splash, you know, the capture page link, and opt into your own campaign. Okay, guys, that's the first thing you want to do. That's every time I set up a campaign, I opt into it. Make sure I'm getting the messages. Make sure the message shows up. Make sure the links work. Okay, you want to click the link. Make sure it brings you to your rotator. If you're the only one in your rotator, your name should show up. If you got someone in the rotator with you, just check it. You know, click the message twice. Make sure that it's going to both people in the rotator. All right, and I guess that's it for now. I think I covered everything. But this page, this video will be inside the training area in the Rotator Club. All right, guys? And it'll also be in our Facebook group. Don't forget to join the Facebook group, guys. All right? I'll see you inside, man. Thanks, guys.